Okay, girls, as you know, gradually we are moving toward our tenses. Previously, we completed our present complete tense and past indefinite, passive voice, and active voice we have completed. It's time to move toward the past continuous tense. Let me go toward the recognition of this sentence. Past continuous tense is it ends at raha tha, rahi thi, and rahe the. It means that any walk or anything is going on. This is progressing. This is in present continuous, and this is in continuous condition. So for affirmative sentence, you always use subject in the start. After that, you'll use was and were according to your subject. If your subject will be in singular form, then you will write down was, and if your subject will be in plural, then you will write down were. After that, first form of the verb with ing and object. This is the structure for affirmative sentence for positive and simple sentences. Next we have negative sentence, subject was, were, and after the helping verb you put not, and first form of the verb and object. The affirmative sentence will be same. You will just put not in this after helping verb, and this will become negative sentence. Now the next sentence is interrogative sentence. You just have to shift was and were into start. It means that you just have to shift the helping verb in the start of the sentence, and you have to write down subject after the helping verb. So this will be your interrogative sentence. Here you can see this is helping verb, and after that you are writing subject. So helping verb will be in the start, and after that subject, and was and were will be in the will be like the same condition. Was will be with singular and were will be with plural. Verb first form of the verb and object. Here are some examples for you. This is of affirmative condition. He was writing on the table. He was not writing on the table. This is of negative. Interrogative, was he writing on the table? And this is negative and plus interrogative, was he not writing on the table? I hope so everything is clear here. If anything is not clear, you can ask. So let me clear here with he, she, I, it, and any singular name. You will always use was. With they, we, you, plural name, you always use were. So with plural or they, we, you will use were, and he, she, I, it, and singular name, you always use was. So this is a recognition as well as formula of present past continuous tense. By recognizing and memorizing the rules of this past continuous tense, you will be able to solve your paragraphs by yourself.